Hello and welcome to this VBA tutorial. In this tutorial today I'm gonna tell you about the message box in VBA. Like I have already created, and I will be showing you from the beginning how I have done that. Like you have a comment button like this, and if you click on this button and you can get a message like whatever message you like I have written here, this is SAP Learning Academy. Or like in another example I have this one. If I click on this comment button and I can see the entered value is 15. So I will be showing you how I have done that. So this is actually the message box creation in VBA. So I'm creating a new Excel file. Like in this sheet I'm going to create it, and let me tell you that using the VBA message box, it is used to inform the users of your program. Now, what you're actually putting into behind. So let me create the message box. So in order to do that, first you have to go to insert. Then you can take the any comment button like here. Then you can place anywhere on your Excel like here. Then you have to go to the code, the VBA code. First you have to go to the design mode. Then right click on this comment button and then see the view code. And here you have to write the whatever message you like to show. Like for the message box, you have in VBA there's a function Msgbox, and after that whatever things you like you want to write like this is SAP Learning Academy. So once you have written that, just you close this Excel, and then you can go to this comment button. First you have to come out of this design mode, now like this. Then you click on this comment button like here, and you can see the message is popping up on your screen like this is SAP Learning Academy. So that's how actually you can create a simple comment button in your simple message box comment button on your screen. And in another example, like how can I create this one like I have done here. Like if you click on this button and the value entered is 15, like I have entered a value in cell A1, and actually I'm showing the value using this message box. So in order to do that, so you have to again go to the insert button, and then you take the comment button from this option, and you can put it anywhere on your screen like here. Then you go to the view code, and now you can write this write this VBA like message box, then entered value is and you have to write like, suppose I'm going to put the value in A1 column, then close the bracket, then value. Then once you have done that, just close this screen. So now you have to come out of the design mode, and you have to put some value in it. Suppose in the comment box I'm putting value like 20. So now just you need to click on this comment button, and you can see that entered value is 20. So in this way actually you can create the message box on your Excel, and this is very important, and sometimes it is important to create the message box in your daily work, in your project work. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Also please see my other tutorials. I have given the links in the below description, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you have not done yet. Thank you for watching, and see you next.